Hello all. We have did the changes as per the new API. So for that we have added a configuration. So for that we can go to the integration under the configuration under the setting. So there we have added the URL, client ID and client secret key as per the new API. And here we are going to add the URL and the client ID and the client secret key. Once it is done, so we have to save this. And also, like, we have added a separate cron job. So let me just go to the setting. Under the technical, I am just going to the schedule action, and we have added a cron job for which is every 1 hour it will run and get the data. So for now I'm just running it manually, and once it is run, so here under the integration, under the divide logs, here you can see the divide logs is got created, and based on the divide logs we can get the user, employee name, employee ID and the log date. And in case of if we delete some data or if we remove some data, so let me just remove this data and I run this as manually again. So it will create the remaining data as it is what we have deleted. So it will recreate it once the log is regenerated. So it will manage the old data and new data as well. So this is all for this video. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.